Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. So I just want to do a quick video today because it's all I really have time for, just to update you and show you that we now have replacement lenses for 93 to 97 LT1 grid style taillights. So see how this is flat compared to our other taillights that have a round circle here for the 98 to 02 style. We now finally bring you replacements for the grids. So currently we are just offering these lenses. These are just the lenses that you would put on any style housings from 93 to 02. You can use all of them. The easiest ones are actually 93 to 97 base model Firebirds. The hardest ones are 93 to 97 grid styles, and then 98 to 02, you just cut them. But that's it, guys. We finally have flat lenses. We've got our grid pattern worked out. These are a couple of prototypes that I have here. They've got a little bit of blims. We've got to adjust some black on them. So those will probably be up for sale cheap. But wanted to show them to you. This is what we offered before. We called it the hybrid. It was where we only had this lens that we could put the designs on. So we did a hybrid design, which was like the grids, but with the reverse circle. You know, we still offer those. The wings I just showed you, another LT1 LT1 inspired design originally. It did have the circles also, but now we have a flat lens. So because we have a flat lens, there's a lot of cool things that we can start doing now where we do designs all the way across in our housings and stuff. But this is what you guys wanted and needed the most first, so this is what we finally got done. We are not offering these as full housings right now. We have to modify the full housings to, work with this style lens. You can buy these lenses though and convert any housings that you can get your hands on. I would show you, but I cannot find any crappy used housings even right now. The 98 to 02 lenses, the 98 to 02 taillights, they're the easiest because you just cut this center part out of them and then 3M tape these guys on. For the grids, you kind of do the same thing, it's just not as easy. And you're dealing with this piece of a reflector down here that's not part of the housing. So you just have to go in nice with your tape and make sure that you seal that well. And 98 to 02s is easy because you just cut it out. This is all part of the housing and you just seal it to your lenses. With these, we're trying to make sure that you guys have a little less moisture, so we went over the edges. These go around your housing a little bit. So what you'll want to do, whatever housing you're using, cut it, get it ready, put some 3M tape on it so that you can stick it on, and then once it's nice and bonded, go back with the heat gun and let the lens just form a little more around the housing to make sure that you are as waterproof as we can get it. So that's it, just a quick video. Again, these are the 93 to 97 style OEM grids. We did our best to come close to factory so that you have a factory style replacement. I have a 5-year-old who's having a tantrum right now. Not sure if you can hear that or not. And again, we always still have our lenses. So we had quite a bit of trouble trying to figure out how to get these appliques to go on. Now that we're doing mass production, it started gumming up the heads. We got all that fixed so that all of our designs are coming out quickly now. Now we're just putting them on housings, filling back orders, and trying to do new stuff. And so here's some new stuff. If you guys have any questions, any other lenses you want to get made, let me know. Again, now that we have this flat design, you can do honeycomb all the way across. You can do bird wings all the way across. There's just a lot of different things that this lens opens up for us. As soon as I get my hands on some old housings, I'll do an install video again because the other one's pretty old. I'm using a sealant to bond the lenses in the old video. If you're converting factory housings, you can just use double-sided 3M tape, but VHB, which is the stronger stuff. You can hold drywall with it. I run a razor blade and I split this in half so that I have a nice thin line to use to create my seal. Super easy. That's it. Just happy these things are finally here. This journey of these started 4 years ago. I went to pick up a set of LT1 grid taillights from a guy not too far from here, about an hour away. Picked them up and got the phone call from my mom that she had to go to the hospital. 2 years later of her being in the hospital, and then 2 years now since she's passed, we finally have grid tail light lenses. So I'm happy to show them to you. I'm happy they're here. I gotta go see why this kid's screaming. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Again, right now we're just selling lenses. We're working on full housings. We'll get them as soon as we can. Thanks for watching, guys.